Hi, hello. My name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. Do check out my channel, and if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share. So I'm doing a series on my channel called Breakfast India, where I try breakfast recipes from all over India. Today is the last episode in this series, episode number 25, and we are making a recipe from Arunachal, Pradesh called Khura. I just can't believe that I've already covered the whole of India in this series. To watch the earlier episodes of this series, I'll leave a link above. Please do click and watch. So let's have a look at the ingredients required. I've got buckwheat flour or kurtu ka atta here, into which I've added sufficient salt, and we need some normal water. Add in the water little by little and mix the flour into a thick batter. So the batter is ready. Make sure there are no lumps. And now we'll leave the batter to rest for 1 hour. So the batter has rested for 1 hour. I've kept a pan on fire on medium heat. Add some butter into the pan. Pour a ladle of the batter. Cook from one side and then flip and cook from the other side as well. Once done from both sides, remove to a plate and make the rest the same way. So that's an Indian style pancake which is gluten-free and vegan for you. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and click the bell when you subscribe. So until I see you next time, it's bye-bye from me.